Hello students, our next topic is variation in the value of G. We know this formula in our previous lecture. G is inversely proportional to R square. That means if the value of the R decreases, the value of the G will be increases. If the value of R increases, the value of the G is decreasing. So see, first point is the change along the surface of the earth. We know the shape of the earth is not exactly spherical, and so the distance of the point on the surface of the earth from its center differs somewhat from place to place. Okay, so because due to the rotation, the earth is flatter at its pole. This is the poles and this is the equator. Okay, and the total diameter in equator is a 12,756 kilometer, and from north to south the diameter is 12,740 kilometer. Okay, so this diameter is a greater and this diameter is less. So here in a pole, the radius is less than the radius at equator. So here at pole, the value of the G is highest at pole. Why? Value of G is highest at pole. Why? Because here the value of the R is less and the value of the G is low at equator. Why? Because here the value of the R radius is greater. If R is greater here, so here G is less. Here R is less, so G is greater. It's clear. Then our next point is a change with height. As we go above the earth surface, when we go above the earth surface, suppose at a h height, so here the value of the R, that means the distance of any object, suppose A object, the distance of the object A from its center is R is a radius plus h. So it's clear, R plus h is greater than R plus h is greater than R. This is R plus h is greater than R. So the value of the distance is greater. Okay, so the distance is greater, that means the value of G decreases. Clear? Distance is greater, G is decreases. The next point is a change with depth. As we go inside the earth, let we go up to h depth. So here the distance is from the center is R minus h. This is R and this is h. So the R is greater than, this R is greater than R minus h. So here the distance is less, so G will be increases. So here 3 points are very important. And our next topic is mass and weight. What is a mass? Mass is a measurement of the amount of the matter something object contains. Any object contains the measurement of amount is a mass. And what is a weight? Weight is a measurement of the pull of the gravity on an object. That means the earth exerted the force by the force is a to pull in the object. That force is a weight. Okay, mass is a scalar quantity, weight is a vector quantity. Mass is the SI unit of mass is kilogram, the SI unit of weight is a Newton. The mass is denoted by M and weight is denoted by F. Okay, here one picture. The mass, one main point is the value of the mass is same everywhere, but the value of the weight are different. Okay, here 3 places: earth, moon and space. One person, that's mass is 10 kg and weight is 98 Newton on the earth, and the person that's mass equals to 10 kg at moon, and weight is 16 Newton, and here in a space mass equals to 10 kilogram and weight equals to 0. That means the mass of that person is same but the weight are different. Here in the earth 98 Newton, in the moon 16 Newton, and in a space 0 Newton. It's clear? Okay.